What's up, guys? Today, welcome back to another vid. Today, this is my first time doing a vid on Animal Company. And yeah, his name is the Bomber. Come out, Bomber.
What's up, guys?
Yeah,
What's up,
and
guys?
you better not shoot that. Do not shoot that. Don't shoot it. Don't shoot it. Don't shoot it. So yeah, where are we going, Bomber?
The office!
Yippee!
Oh, yeah.
Yippee!
Oh yeah, office time.
No, you get the
Office,
stinky
office.
cheese. You get the stinky cheese.
No, I don't want to. Here. Get your ass over here.
Fine, I'll have the stinky
go.
cheese.
Let's
And
go.
here, you can have a grappler.
Office time. Office
You
time.
need a grappler.
Office time.
Here, no,
I
no,
don't have
put
one.
no. You need a backpack and stuff.
Nah, I'm good. I am brave. I don't need no pop back. I'm brave.
Bro, this guy's crazy. We know how we do. Oh, I'm gonna get some eggs. And guys, what should we do? What should we do? Wait out! Wait up, Bomber! Bro, have a revolver, bro.
Dude. No, I'm good. I'm a bomber, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. I'm a bomber, dude. Come on.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
See ya.
Okay, we're ready. Let's go.
Let's go, dude. I don't need no
Let's go.
freaking.
Oh shoot! What are we duping?
Stuff.
We're duping this. Should we?
What? What?
Wanna
Dude,
do-
what?
No, heck no, we're not duping that. Nah, we're gonna dupe the best item in the country, the stick.
Yep, the country cunt. Look at it. It's so perfect and kills the whole world, dude.
No, we're not using
go.
that goofy one. We're using.
Come on, dude.
Okay, yeah, we're using this, right? Yeah, we'll use that.
Come on, let's
The
go.
duplication machine.
I don't mean freaking crybaby stuff. I mean, two things.
I'm gonna just put my
look,
booty
guys.
cheeks on here.
Guys, look
My
at it.
booty cheeks.
Guys, look at this. This is the scary elevator. It's been haunting the whole 10 years. Oh my god, let's open this thing. Let's go.
Yippee!
Let's go, dude.
Yeah, you got to stick to my cheese. No.
Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. Let's
Yes.
go, dude. Follow me.
Oh! My
You like this
God,
song,
you're
dude? I made it
zesty.
myself.
You're a
Like this song,
zesty
dude?
girl, that's for sure. Why am I using that, bro? We're not even
Come
doing
here, dude.
ducks.
Hey, dude, come here. Come here.
Dude.
Dude, turn around.
No, I
You
swear.
want to see a Rookaboom?
Meow, 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 meow.
You want to see a Rookaboom?
Meow, 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 meow.
1, 2. 1,
Meow,
2.
meow, 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 meow. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up, you big back.
Hey, dude, you a Big Mac? Big brother. Let's go.
Oh, you're the stinky Mommy, help! Oh!
Hey, dude. I saved myself. Let's go, dude. Let's go.
You're the
Let's go,
stinky
this
teeth.
No, I'm not. Just dusty.
Yo, wait, you're gonna need your grappler, bro. You're cooked. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot!
See Rookaboom? You want to see Rookaboom? You want to see Rookaboom? Go.
No, I died, bro! We died! No, we're going to get our
Keep
stuff
going.
real.
That's you doing real keep him. Let's
No,
go
we're
going.
Go back right now. You need a grappler. Because we're going
I need some
fast.
dude. I'm not.
Go. No, let's do this. Let's do this way. It'll be faster. Come here. No, come here.
This way.
Come on. Bomber, come here. Look, we can do it. We can do this one. Do this on TV. The TV thing. Come on.
Oh, my head, dude.
No, but I don't really care. Let's go.
You hear my feelings, dude.
You know, I don't give two craps.
Ah, I hit myself.
I'm running.
Wait for me, sweetie.
What?
Thanks.
That was so stupid of you, bro. Is it?
That's a great idea.
Bro, come on.
That was a great idea.
That was not no great idea, bro.
That was a great idea, dude.
No, we better
Let's
run
go,
because he's about to
Gabby.
come. Come! Shoot! Bro, this guy's invincible, bro! I'm literally killing him, bro.
Right me. Where's me? Hey, sweetie. Thank you, sweetie.
Nah, bro, actually get out! Okay, let's go. No,
Where you went?
I'm right here. Dude,
You
come
left
on.
me.
I'm right here,
What is
come
it?
on.
We're here?
Yes, no, we're not here.
We're here. We're here, dude.
I know!
Why are you? What's up, dude?
No! No! I went down.
No, I'm by myself. I'm scared. What a 7.
Bring me a grappler. Bring me a grappler.
Bro,
I'm down here.
Why are you?
Just
Are you?
drop a just drop a grappler.
what?
Just drop a grappler down here.
Down there, okay. I was down there.
Thank you, bro. Bro, did I just? I had a grappler the whole entire time. Here, have
You
that.
stupid, mister. You're the dumbest people that at the whole world, dude.
No, bro, get out. Put that in there. Hey, would you like to do?
This game, bro.
Nah, hey, do you want me to do the honor? Hey, you want to do the honors? Want to do the honors?
What is it? What is it?
The card, thingamajig. Where are you? There.
You
Want to do the honors?
Yes, give it to me.
Nope. Oh my god! Oh my, I call this big bag. Big one. You don't want it? You don't like that?
Want me that? Sorry.